Hey guys, it's Dylan Pride. I'm going to be doing a bike check today on my Colt OSV3. Up, I got Odiel long necks with the flanges cut off, Odyssey Parns, plastic Barnes, Colt Leader V2 bars, 8.75 inch rise, cut down to 27.5. Colt Salvation top load stem, Shadow integrated stacked headset. Just got a rent stock front wheel for now with a G Sport hub guard, and then I got 4 Colt butter pegs and Primo Strand V2 forks. They're pretty beat up, but they work for now. A Demolition Momentum 2.2 in the front, and then 2.35 in the back. I got the Colt OSV3 frame. It's pretty nice. It's the best frame I've ever ridden. And I got the Kink Solus pivotal seat. Then just a stock Sabrosa Malm seat post. And then premium 1948 cranks, 19mm, and then premium North Star sprocket, 25 tooth silver. Then over here I just got a stock bottom bracket. And then I have the Shadow Interlock V2 chain with Demolition Trooper PC pedals. They're pretty nice. Then in the back I got a Shadow hub guard that's really beat up. And I have the Demolition Rotator free coaster back wheel. The Demolition logo. Then Demolition on the hub. Then, yeah, I think that's it. I'm planning on getting new tires sometime soon. And, yeah, that's my bike check.